Pete from Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Lecanto, Florida. We've been building for 19 years in my 45 years in the industry. And we come out with a better design actually for our manifolds, the high-out manifolds. They're simplistic. Everything is here. You have all the stations for the functions. You've got your inlet here coming off your chemical feed. So it's coming in here as well, and it discharges out through the front via carpet wand or any tool that you decide to use. And as you can see, we got a thermostat, so everything is incorporated into one block. We got our bypass here that goes straight out into a bypass needle valve. And we got our high pressured line that indicates the pressure of your unit. And we have the sender wire and sensor right here that goes straight up into your analog temperature gauge. So everything is really nicely laid out, and we got, of course, your inlet coming in off your heaters coming down here. So this, I would call sort of like a universal block. I mean, you could use this for just about any truck mount. It's got a lot of functions and on it that make it very, very compatible with any other unit, because everyone has a sender on every truck mount. Most everyone has a thermostat, which could either be controlled by the temperature, or if you decided to use a sensor, then we can sell you a sensor separately. But this setup here is for one of our thermostat assemblies, and we got the probe capillary that just goes in, and of course everything is downstreamed from that point here to allow the full flow of water to go across the probe, sense the temperature changes so that you have minimal delay time or propagation delay between the time your system thermally dumps in the waste tank to lower the temperature, and by the time the cold water comes across, it will lower the temperature and shut your thermostat down. But by having the bypass here, that will allow a full temperature change so that you are not sitting there waiting for a dump to occur, and then you end up with a dangerous situation on your hands, because you don't want to be inside a place and then all of a sudden you hit the carpet one and there you go. You got high temperatures that were stagnant at your heater. So migration, bypass, and bleed off is very important in the temperature regulation system. So look us up online, truckmountstore.com. This video is on one of our store items right now. Call us today at 727-505-2989. Pete and Lecanto at Blue Baron Truck Mounts. And we'll talk to you later. Thank you.